north, Old US 411. Friday, May the 10th, 2024. 5:20 in the afternoon. Coming up on a very neat place. I think it's what, Nancy Ward, Cherokee High Priestess, is that correct? I don't really, I give out so much bad information. Her gravesite. I think her father and her brother as well. Right up there on top of the hill. We have video of it up there. So I don't know that we're going to go up there right now. But yeah, up there, that's an awfully nice place. Nice little walk. We may go down to the river here, but we've got that video probably twice at least. Nancy Ward grave, yep, day use only. So if y'all Google or get on my site and search Nancy Ward, you will find it. She was instrumental in saving a lot of white settlers. Boat access area. We'll see how high the water is. There's a picnic table. We may sit down here and I don't know if we've got a connection or not. We may try to upload something. Yeah, the water's pretty high. I guess we'll just keep on keeping on. How far north are we going to go before we turn and head over to 75? I guess we're going to end up having to head over to a truck stop somewhere on 75. It looks like all campsites are full. I don't know if that's muscadine or poison ivy vine. I couldn't quite tell. Didn't get that good of a look at it, but whatever it was, boy, it was something. Okay, we'll cross the bridge here. Seems like there may have been a restaurant up here on top of the hill. I wouldn't mind a hamburger or barbecue, Brunswick stew. I doubt there are any date stamps on the bridges in Tennessee. I think I've already determined that there aren't. See a stamp, face stamp on it. Boy, that's pretty out there. I haven't seen a whole lot of Tennessee, but from what I have seen, Tennessee is very nice. You here? What you got? What's going on here? It's junk. Oh, okay. Never mind. And we're coming back into US 411. So this is old US 411. How far are we going to go north before we turn back? Seems like there was a nice little eating place down here on the right. It may be right down here. I wonder if it's still open, if they made it. I hope so. It's a good place to eat. I think this is going to be it if it's open. It may just be open for breakfast and lunch, so I don't know. Man, it fixed up real nice. Taste of China. No, that isn't it. Well, I guess I was wrong again. I know it was on 411 though. Off of a title loan. God. In other words, you're only going to charge you about 500% interest. Now we can cut through right here to somewhere. There's a boat ramp. We have done that. But we're going to cut through. What are we going to do? Sonic. I wonder where that little place was. Tree with an old sweet gum? No? I think it's an oak. map. We need to get a silent video too. We may get a night video tonight. A silent night video. Okay, here's that little place I was talking about. Let's see what they've got. It looks like there are plenty of people in here. I've eaten here, I know, once, twice, maybe 3 times. And every time it was very good. So we're going to get us something. Steel wheel. We'll get a hamburger or barbecue. We're going to get something, but I don't know what yet. Looks like we'll probably get barbecue. That's what it looks like we might get. Hang on.